How to delete TikTok messages for everyone. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your TikTok chat list. Here, you can view all your chats on TikTok. Open any chat from here. In the chat box, tap and hold the message you want to delete. Then, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Here, select Delete for everyone. The message will now be deleted from both sides. If you select Delete for me instead, then the message would only be deleted for you. The other person can still be able to view it. Following these steps, you can easily delete TikTok messages for everyone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.